Alright, let's just jump on in. So today we'll be making some tuna steaks and sockeye salmon steaks. So these I got from Sam's Club Members Mark. And just to prepare them, get some salt. I use sea salt with coarse pepper, black pepper. And I use some paprika as well for my tuna. So just go ahead and add what's equivalent to about a pinch of salt to both your fillets here. Just make sure that gets rubbed in nice. Go ahead and add that pepper. I like a little more pepper on my salmon. I feel like it brings out the flavor a little bit more. And just dab it on to that tuna as well. Make sure on that tuna you get both sides seasoned well. And then here on my tuna, I add a little paprika. I just make sure that's coated all the way on top and bottom, because those will be the sides that I'm searing. Alright, so you're going to want your skillet at about medium-high heat. Put a little avocado oil in is what I use. You can use some other type of high-temperature cooking oil. And I'm just going to go ahead and let these guys sit for about a minute and a half on each side for the tuna. And after that 3 minutes is up for the tuna total cook time, that's when I'll be flipping over my salmon. So as you can see, that bottom is nice and seared with a center pink texture. So this is the tuna here. Gonna go ahead and cut it open and see how it looks on the inside. And just a real nice layer of pink. As you can see right there, just a nice thick pink layer in the middle with sear on both sides. Alright, here's the salmon. We're going to go ahead and flip. Looks nice and blackened on the top with that pepper. Really brings out some strong flavor. And I'll go ahead and turn the heat down to medium now. And let this sit for about 6 minutes. So this is a perfect recipe for both tuna and the salmon. You can have both prepped and cooked in under 10 minutes. Add a little extra oil just to help with the cooking process, bring out some extra heat. Here we are, we're gonna go ahead and test out this salmon and see. As you can see, it just kind of breaks and flakes apart, which is really what I think makes this dish so great. In regards to the salmon, as you can see, it's cooked all the way through. Some nice pink color throughout, and I am a fan of having the skin as well. It's kind of crunchy like a potato chip. And here are some nutrient facts. So to summarize our nutrient facts, we have 266 calories between the salmon and the tuna, and we have 53 grams of protein coming from that. And this dish is going to cost you about $5. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see.